Hello, I'm Helga and I'm going to show you how to properly cleanse and moisturize your face. I have this wonderful moisturizer, Sea Wave by Elbri. I get that in a health food store here in Eastleigh, and it is nice and creamy. I love that for my skin. So you apply it up, over, down your nose, out, down and out, around your lips. Smoosh it all around very nicely. Don't forget your neck. And then you can rinse it off, or you use a washcloth and gently wipe it off. Never pull your skin because it's very delicate, and it will thank you for it over the years. In case I haven't introduced this lovely lady, her name is Judy. Now you can use an astringent, and I love to use witch hazel. It's very nicely, and you can get that in a grocery store. This you will do every night and every morning. And then I have by Neutrogena this little wonderful exfoliator. It has a little pad you put on, and I like this because it's very, very gentle, but it exfoliates, it vibrates very gently in a circular motion. You go around the whole face. I always like to remove my makeup before because I don't like to smooch anything in my face that doesn't belong there. You want to exfoliate. You go down the nose very gently, you don't apply any pressure. And this is so gentle, you can put it over your lips as well. It's wonderful. You can do that twice a week or 3 times a week, it depends. And then again you rinse it off with water, or you can use a wash rag, a washcloth. And then what I also like to do twice a week, I like to use a mask. You will love the mask. If you have dry skin, you will use a clay mask. If you have oily skin, you will use a clay mask. And if you have dry skin, I use the peel-off mask by Freeman, the cucumber. It's you put it on very thinly, and in 10 minutes you can peel it off. You can actually feel your skin get cleaner and cleaner. And that is wonderful. And you will love it, because once you put it on, you look in the mirror, you have absolutely no wrinkles. And don't we love that? So once you have cleaned this all off, then you will apply the moisturizer. I start out with eye cream. I found this eye cream by Clinique. Again, it's nice and creamy, and you need very little. See? You put it between your ring fingers like this, and you gently pat it around your eyes. And then gently make a circle around it. Not inside the eyes, not too close, it's not needed because it creeps automatically into the lids. And you don't pull your skin. Whenever you apply cream, you pat it on first and then gently with your ring finger. Your index fingers are much too strong for this. Now Judy has pretty normal skin, so she doesn't need to have a real heavy moisturizer. I have this Healthy Skin face lotion by Neutrogena for her, and this is really nice. All you need is 1 or 1.5 pump. Again, you this time between your ring finger and middle finger, and again you tap it all the way around, and then you smoosh it around nice again. Up here, see how I not pull her skin down on the nose, around and up, around and up. Beautiful. Around the nose. Yes, a little. And down the neck. And don't forget the ears. We want to keep them young too. We always forget. And this is how we cleanse and moisturize your skin. The next time we will show you how to apply concealer and makeup. Thank you.